Millionaire Mindset Hacks: How Rich People Think Differently. What if I told you the only thing standing between you and financial freedom is your mindset? The truth is, millionaires don't just act differently, they think differently. And in today's video, we're diving into the most powerful millionaire mindset hacks that can rewire your brain for wealth, success, and purpose. These aren't fluff tips, they're the same mental habits and beliefs that self-made millionaires live by. So if you're ready to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck life and start building your work-smart empire, stick around. Number 7 millionaire mindset is where average people fail. Welcome back to Work Smart Empire, the channel where we combine productivity, self-improvement, and smart money principles to help you build lasting success. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Every week, we bring you real strategies to grow your mindset, income, and life, one smart decision at a time. Today, we're unlocking 7 mindset hacks that rich people swear by. Let's jump into the psychology of success. Number 1. Millionaires think in abundance. The first major shift? Abundance over scarcity. Poor and middle class thinking often revolves around lack. There's never enough money. I can't afford that, or I'm not lucky like them. But millionaires, they focus on possibility and opportunity. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" they ask, "How can I afford this?" This mental shift opens up creative thinking. They know money is a renewable resource. Ideas, effort, and time, when used wisely, can always generate more. So instead of fearing risk, they manage it. Instead of hoarding, they invest. That's the abundance mindset in action. Number 2. They play the long game. Millionaires don't chase quick wins. They play the long game. They delay gratification today to enjoy freedom tomorrow. They understand that wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through smart, consistent decisions, saving, investing, building businesses, learning skills. While most people look for instant results, the rich think in decades. They ask, "How will this decision affect me 5 years from now?" This mindset helps them avoid get-rich-quick traps and stay focused on real growth. Want to think like a millionaire? Start making decisions that your future self will thank you for. Number 3. They see problems as opportunities. Average minds avoid problems. Millionaire minds seek to solve them, because every problem is a hidden profit. Jeff Bezos built Amazon by solving a problem. People wanted convenience. Sarah Blakely became a billionaire with Spanx by solving a fashion frustration. Millionaires ask, "What's frustrating people right now? And how can I solve it better?" Instead of saying, "Why is this happening to me?" they ask, "What can I learn or build from this?" Start seeing problems as challenges to grow your income, skill set, and resilience. That's what separates wealth builders from warriors. Number 4. They value time over money. Here's a mindset shift most people miss. Time is more valuable than money. Why? Because you can always earn more money, but you can never earn more time. Millionaires protect their time fiercely. They outsource tasks that don't build wealth. They automate routines. They say no often. They don't waste hours binge-watching shows or scrolling endlessly. Not because they don't relax, but because they're intentional. They invest time in high-leverage actions, building systems, networking, deep thinking, learning. If you want to become rich, ask yourself every day, is this the best use of my time? Number 5. They learn continuously. 88% of wealthy people read at least 30 minutes a day. And no, it's not for entertainment. They read to grow. From Warren Buffett to Oprah, lifelong learning is a non-negotiable habit of the wealthy. Why? Because information becomes transformation. Every book, podcast, course, or mentor adds value to one's mind, which then multiplies one's financial value in the world. Millionaires treat their brain like $1 million asset, because it is. So instead of scrolling, make reading or learning part of your routine. Start with books on money, productivity, and mindset. Your income grows as your knowledge grows. Before we proceed to No. 6, if you found value in this video, smash that like button. Subscribe to Work Smart Empire. and share it with someone who is ready to level up their mindset. Number 6. They take ownership. Successful people don't make excuses. They make adjustments. Millionaires own their wins and their failures. Positive-minded people don't blame the economy, their boss, or their background when something goes wrong. They ask, what could I have done better? This mindset of extreme ownership is powerful. It puts you in control. Because if it's your responsibility, then it's your power to change it. People who avoid responsibility avoid growth. But those who own everything they touch, even the hard stuff, grow faster, stronger, and wealthier. Want to shift into a millionaire mindset? Start owning your life like a CEO. Are you ready to take ownership and start building your way to success? Then use the link in the description below to get your free ebook. Number 7. They build, don't just consume. Most people are consumers. They buy, scroll, and react. Millionaires are builders. They create. They create businesses, content, assets, investments, and systems. They own the things others use. They don't just watch YouTube. They start YouTube channels. They don't just buy on Amazon. They sell on Amazon. Creation is the gateway to wealth. So the next time you consume content, ask yourself, how can I turn this into something? The shift from consumer to creator is one of the most powerful mindset hacks of all. So let's recap. Millionaires think in abundance. They delay gratification. They solve problems, protect their time, invest in learning, take ownership, and build instead of just consuming. Which mindset shift hit you hardest today? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, wealth starts in the mind, long before it shows up in the bank. See you in the next one.